Greetings, I'm John Setzler and welcome back to Atlanta Grill Company. Today I'm going to show you how to cook another awesome side dish that you can serve with about any meal. We're going to do some fondant potatoes. So let's get started. I'm going to get this fondant potato project started here. I think I'm going to use my PK360 today because this is a really simple grill to get a two-zone cooking setup going. So I'm going to light up some charcoal. Okay, I've got this charcoal mostly lit. So we're going to dump this in. I'm going to dump it in on that side of the grill. And then I'm going to put my grill grates on. I'm going to smooth that out just a little bit because I want that nice and even, and that's another reason I'm using briquettes here, because I want that to be particularly nice and even heat. And as you can see, that charcoal's not ready to go yet, but while it's getting ready to go, we're going to get our potatoes ready. I'm going to close this grill and open the vents fully. So the next thing I want to do here is prep my potatoes. So I'm just going to start with one of these, and you want to use russets for this. I'm going to cut the ends off of these, and what I'm looking for here is to get the part of the potato that's about the same thickness all the way across. So what I'm going to do next is stand that guy up on its end, and I'm just going to take my knife and we're going to cut the skin off, and then we have a nice even piece like this. And if you've got any skin left, you can just shave that off. And we're going to cut that guy right down the middle, and we're going to have two pieces here that are about equal in size, and I'm going to set those in a mixing bowl of cold water just while we get the rest of these done. Our grill's nice and hot, so I'm going to crack that guy open, and I'm going to set my cast iron pan over those direct coals, and I'm going to put in a big old blob of ghee. You can use clarified butter, you can use ghee, or you can use something simple like canola or even olive oil. So you just want to get your oil in this pan and get it melted and get it nice and hot. And while that oil's heating up, I've got a couple of cloves of smashed garlic that I'm going to put in there with that, and let that garlic season that oil just a bit. And once that oil starts to get good and hot, I'm going to move my pan a little bit away from the higher heat. And then we're going to set our potatoes in here. And I've taken these potatoes and towel dried them with a with paper towels after I took them out of the water. We're going to set these guys right in here. And we're going to let these cook for 5 or 6 minutes until we get a nice golden brown sear on the bottom side of those. And I'm going to hit the tops of each of these with some salt and some black pepper. I'm going to grate on just a little bit of black pepper here as we go. And while that's going, I've also got a couple of sprigs of fresh thyme that I'm going to toss in here to help season that oil. You want to kind of watch these guys as they go, and you're looking for a sear that's looking about like that. That's getting pretty close. We're going to give these guys just another minute or so before we flip them and move on. While that's cooking, I'd just like to take a moment here to ask you for your support. If you're watching this video on YouTube, please hit the subscribe button and then click the bell icon to get an alert each time we post a new video. If you're watching on Facebook, how about giving us a thumbs up or share the video if you think it's worth seeing? Your support will help us keep these channels going. Okay, I'm pretty happy with the way these look. We're going to flip them over. And now I'm going to move those over away from the direct coal. And over here on the indirect side of the grill, I'm going to put some butter in there, and I'm going to get that butter melted down. And after that butter's melted, I'm going to put in a little bit of chicken stock into that. And then I'm going to take my spoon and I'm just going to baste the top of these potatoes with some of this garlic and thyme infused butter and chicken stock. And then we're going to put on a little more salt on the top of these. And I'm going to hit them with a little bit more black pepper. And then I'm just going to close the lid on the grill, and we're going to let our grill run around 400 degrees or so for about 30 minutes or so until it has a chance to finish these up. Okay, after about 30 or 35 minutes on the grill here, these potatoes are ready. You want to use a probe or a thermometer or something and check them and make sure that they're tender all the way through. And as you're cooking these, you can come out here like this and just baste them with a little bit of that butter. These guys are perfect. They're ready, and this makes a fantastic side for any protein you want to serve. So guys, give this a try. Let me know what you think. Until next time, this is John Setzler with Atlanta Grill Company.